Literally look at this room. Pictures still on the wall. Bed, whatever that is. The walls are dirty as hell. All this shit. Still shit in here. Whatever that is. Like, not happy. Completely trashed, so we're cleaning it up right now. So a little turn of events, we can't move in yet. Hi. Welcome back to another video of mine. Thanks for joining me. Always just gonna be my genuine self and genuinely just making these videos for fun and showing you guys my life. So yeah, thanks for joining me. And hopefully you guys are subscribed. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I'm just gonna move on with this video, but I just want to say thank you guys for clicking on, and hopefully you guys are all subscribed to me on my channel. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers and hopefully it'll just keep going up from there. But yeah, for now my goal was 100 subscribers, so if you would be so kind, subscribe to me, but only if you want, you know. Check out my other videos too, and I'm just so happy to have the people who are subscribed to me here, and you guys make me so happy. And I just know that I'm loving doing this YouTube thing. So yeah, hopefully you guys will join me on my journey to 100 subscribers. Yeah, let's actually get into this video now. I have a lot to do. So guys, I just have started to pack up my life, I guess, from my college dorm room, and I'm filming the ceiling and the walls because I just started by taking down, I had pictures there, or paintings I mean, that I had done, and I had more tapestries like this one, but on the ceiling and also on this wall by my bed. But yeah, so now they're just sitting there, and yeah. Ooh, my camera is still broken, but so far, moving process has started, and yeah, I will show you guys the rest when I do more. So it's now about the end of the day. I don't know if you can tell, but if it'll focus, but it is getting darker outside. And with that being said, I haven't packed much. The last thing I filmed was literally just me taking down my tapestries and like paintings from my walls, and that's all I did because I had to go back to work. So I'm at work now, and I will film it, and I think we're actually going to be moving stuff into the apartment, so maybe I'll give you a little apartment tour. Okay, so guys, in my apartment, me and my boyfriend are moving into together. We actually don't have like any furniture yet, and we're moving in. Like, I have to be moving out of my old place and on the dorms literally like in 5 days. we don't have any, like, we have a bed and we have a bed frame, but we don't have a dresser. So currently I am looking for a dresser, and I've just been looking on Nextdoor, Facebook Marketplace, and Urban Outfitters. Not so much for the dresser on Urban Outfitters, but mostly just like random stuff that I found and liked, because I have a lot of cute stuff, and I was only looking at the sale section. So yeah, I'm only looking at the sale section or the discounted on websites like Urban Outfitters Home, because I can afford to buy a $300 lamp or something, you know, or rug. But yeah, so I've just been searching and going to garage sales too. So if I end up going to a garage sale tomorrow, I will definitely bring you guys along. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Literally, look at this room. Pictures still on the wall. Bed, whatever that is. The walls are dirty as hell. All this still in here, whatever that is. Like, not happy. Trap house flipping. Okay guys, we're currently at the new place, but it's completely trashed, so we're cleaning it up right now. So a little turn of events, we can't move in yet. If I'm honest, I'm pretty upset about it, but we're doing the best we can. So right now we're just cleaning the outside. This is what it looks like right now. There's literally dust and random ass everywhere. And the last people that lived here had a dog, so that's all their dog shit that they just didn't clean up. The ground is a mess. Don't even want to look at the inside. Our room is, but yeah, so we're just gonna be cleaning it up, and I'm just gonna like time lapse it and show you guys what we do and like the progress we make. But we're not, like, don't think we're gonna be doing all the cleaning, because we're gonna hire someone to clean this, because it's not our mess and we should not have to clean it all up. But yeah, so send help. But yeah, this is day 2. I saw last night that I actually had continued to clean up the place, or not, what am I saying? Last night I continued to pack up and organize and just clean my room up a little bit to move in, but we can't move in yet for another couple days, and I have to be out of that place by Friday. It's Tuesday, so we need to actually get cleaning and do this really quickly, but I think we can get it done. It's just really nasty. So wish me luck. I'll show you guys the office room right now. Probably, but there's no umbrella. Yeah.
What lights should we put out here? You just take them off yourself.
Not coming out, but from before it looks a bit better. It's not done yet, not even close. It's so hot too, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna be moving this couch because it's all broken, so I'll film that for you guys. We've had to keep in the living room. So this is all of our, this is gonna be our bed frame and a nice comfy bed. I'm so excited to sleep in that. And a couch that we're gonna set up here for replace the old broken one. But yeah, we've had to keep all of our stuff in the living room because our room was not ready yet because the guy didn't want to leave. Also, I'm probably just gonna make a couple separate videos of the finished project and decorating and doing the outside. I think those will be 3 separate videos, so look forward to that in the future. But for now, I just have to worry about this, cleaning up and moving most of the junk outside and waiting for the cleaner to get here to do the dirty work, because it's just not fair for us to have to clean up somebody else's mess that they left. Because as you saw in the pictures, they left a lot of their stuff, and yeah, just a dick move. But yeah, this video is kind of turned well, it was like a cleaning, getting organized, ready to move in, but now it's a cleaning, deep clean. It's now a deep clean apartment, clean out, whatever you call it, because yeah, as you guys saw, it's a nightmare. It's like a crack house in here. But yeah, we're gonna make it look really nice, and I can't wait to see the finished project. I'm sure you guys are. I'm planning out what I'm gonna do to the outside in our room. I'm really excited to start decorating and to actually have it really clean, and then we can move our stuff in. But we gotta get a lot done today. So yeah, the couch is almost out, and I've swept, and we just need to power wash it outside and move some more stuff out and throw things away in the dumpster. But we filled the dumpster up full, so Gabe's gone to go look for a new dumpster to throw more stuff in. Let me show you what it looks like now after it's been kind of cleaned. I know that our other roommate mopped it for us, but as you can see, there's still a lot wrong. There's
all this on the walls. All this black stuff, I have no idea what it is. Same for here. Corner all fucked up. The entire wall has fingerprints and whatever the hell it is. Same here. Even the floor. Not good. We did a nice lamp. Yeah, floor. It's not good. Let's check out the bathroom. So he did actually clean it up pretty nicely. Yeah. Let's see. There's the light. So, the bathroom's not looking too horrible, actually. Okay, I'm happy about that.
But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot to be done.
We've got time to just keep cleaning, so that when they get here, they can spend the whole 2.5 hours on stuff we can't do. You know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, better already.
So much better.